In this video we will look at how to install TeamViewer on Linux Mint 22. And in this lab setup I have two computers, and one is running Linux Mint and other one is running Windows 11. So we will install TeamViewer on Linux Mint and then access remotely it from the Windows 11 machine. So we will start by downloading the TeamViewer. So let's go to teamviewer.com and here click free download, and make sure to download TeamViewer Linux package for Ubuntu/Debian, and this will be a deb file that will be compatible with Linux Mint as well. And once the download is finished, open a terminal and cd into your download folder, and then install TeamViewer deb package using the apt install command, and put a / before the file name before you install it, like this. Okay, so TeamViewer was installed, and you might see this warning at the end, and ignore it, it is not error message. So let's exit the terminal and open TeamViewer on the internet. Alright, and so we now have TeamViewer installed on our Linux Mint computer, and this is our ID and password, and let's try to connect to this session remotely from our Windows machine now. So it gives us this error, session code expired, and the only way to fix this is sign into a TeamViewer account, and you might have to sign into a TeamViewer account in your both computers. So there's no other way around for this error, so we will sign into a TeamViewer account to fix this. So I sign into a TeamViewer account in both Linux Mint and Windows 11, and now let's see if we can connect to this Linux Mint computer remotely after signing with an account. Let's copy the ID and paste it here. Okay, now we should be able to connect with the password. So this is our remote session to our Linux Mint desktop from the Windows using TeamViewer, and we can do this other way as well. So let's copy the ID from Windows and paste it into Linux Mint as well. Alright, and so it works both ways, but if you don't like to create a TeamViewer account, you have to use another alternative remote desktop solution, and a good alternative for TeamViewer is AnyDesk, and you can also find AnyDesk installation guide for Linux Mint in the video description.